Ashley here. I am super excited to be joining you guys tonight because I have such a fun thing to share with you guys. So, JB Stylebox. You're probably thinking, what the heck is that? Well, that's why I'm here to show you guys all about JB Stylebox. And the pups are with me here too. Bella, Henry, and Charlie. They're kind of floating around here. So if you hear a little pitter-patter of feet, that's them. Henry wants to say hi already. He wants to help me open the box.
What is in that box, Mom? It better be for me.
But if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know that I get a lot of my travel clothes and accessories from a boutique called JB&Me. JB&Me is a mother and daughter, locally owned for me in Southwest Michigan, boutique. They have 2 actual store locations in Southwest Michigan, and then they do have an online shop. But one aspect that is newer to JB&Me is called JB Stylebox. I think he's actually trying to open it. He's so cute. Yeah, he is. JB Stylebox. So what is so awesome about JB&Me is they empower women all over the world, and they want to empower these women through fashion, and they want to create friendships through fashion. And one thing that they're passionate about is having women be able to partake in their boutique experience even if they're not living in Michigan. So that is where JB Stylebox came from. And before I kind of explain more, I would like to open the box by myself, but Henry might beat me to it. I am going to read verbatim from JB's site how JB Stylebox works. So there's really 3 main steps. Number 1, your styling needs. So fill out your style profile to share your needs and preferences. For a $20 fee, we will create a custom look just for you. So Bella's getting upset because she wants to join in on the JB Stylebox unboxing. And then Charlie's gonna get upset because he's the only one left on the floor. Okay, we're all gonna open the JB Stylebox together. So pretty much when you go on JB&Me's website, you will, it's really down. Henry, this is my box. I'm gonna cover the corner. So you'll go on their site and you will fill out a style profile. So this pretty much is telling JB&Me your sizes, your styles, kind of what you're looking for. Maybe if you're going to a special event and you kind of want to style around that event. Yeah, and that's a $20 styling fee because the JB&Me stylists work really hard to put these boxes together. And once I open mine, you will begin to understand that. Number 2, a custom look for you. Your stylist will send you 5 pieces based on your style profile that you can mix and match. You will be delivered, the box will be delivered to your front door. Again, kind of going back to the owners wanting women from all over to be able to experience JB&Me in their home and be able to partake in that shopping experience. So it's really like shopping from home. How awesome is that? And then number 3, keep what you love. Keep what is right for you and send the rest back using our free shipping label. You will only be charged for what you keep. He's eating the box. So that's kind of a quick tutorial on how the JB Stylebox works. And now, before Henry eats all that is in this Stylebox, I would like to open it. So, puppers, I gotta set you down, because it's gonna get crazy up here. Bella, do you want to stay?
Yeah, I want to stay.
Okay. So, I'm always very careful about opening boxes that I know has clothes in them.
What do we got in here, Belly girl? Is it gonna be awesome?
Okay, ready, Belly?
I am ready.
Belly can partake in this because she's also a woman. They're boys. Oh my gosh, I am already so excited. This box is so cute. You can just like quick get a glimpse there, maybe. You might not even be able to see. But there's a quick little glimpse, so it's all pretty wrapped. Okay, so let's start with the card. Always gotta start with the card. Right, Belly?
Yes. Why isn't this addressed to me?
So we got a cute little thank you card. Alrighty. So it's just a cute little thank you note to me. And I want to tell you guys right now that if you end up loving the Stylebox and what I show you, you can also sign up for a Stylebox and you can use code Ashley, ASHLEY, for 20% off your first Stylebox, which is awesome. So don't forget about that. I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. What do we got here, Miss Bella? So this just is a little card, and it says curated outfits picked by us for you, delivered to your home. JB Stylebox. Oh, awesome. So if you refer a friend to use JB Stylebox, you and your friend will get 20% off your purchase. That's awesome. Always love a good refer a friend deal. Oh, awesome. Here is the return slip. So whatever you don't want, you put back in the box and you just put the slip on and you just drop it in the mail. That's one thing that's awesome with the JB Stylebox is you only will pay for what you keep. So let's say you like everything. That's awesome. You get to keep everything. And let's see how many times I can say awesome in this video clip. And if you like 3 things, you just send 2 things back. If you like 1, you send 4 back. Yeah, so it's really up to you. Okay, so this is a little JB Stylebox insert. Okay. Oh, and this is explaining what I just read from you off the internet and off their site. So that's just explaining it. Bella is literally licking my hand. So another little insert. Yeah. Oh, great. So JB and me loves to see how you guys style their clothing in Stylebox on social media. So snap a pic and share your favorites. Tag us on social media so your stylist can see too. So they have a Facebook and an Instagram to tag them on. I don't know. I think these pictures are from what I just picked it up and I was like, what? I think they're pictures of what's in the box, so I don't want to look at them because I love surprises. So I also don't know what these are either, so I'm going to wait. I don't want anything to give the surprise away. Okay, Miss Belly, you ready for the first thing?
I sure am.
Okay, we got here a little belly. We got a little box. Maybe some jewelry. Yes, it is jewelry. So whenever I travel, I will always wear some sort of sentimental necklace or bracelet, ring, or both, or all 3, whatever. So here's that. It's like a grayish hemp braid bracelet, and it's got a silver cross in the middle, and it says faith over fear. Wear this as a reminder to let your faith be bigger than your fear. God is within her, she will not fail. Psalm 46:5. I love that because the reason why I wear jewelry when I travel is to remind me back home or of my core values and things like that. So I love wearing jewelry that serves like a purpose or a mission statement. So that's so cute. Oh, and before I forget, I promised myself that I was only going to keep one thing. So you guys have to help me choose. Oh my gosh, all of this stuff is wrapped like so cute. Like look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love the blue and their bows are so cute. It's almost like a tulle or like raffia type paper. And it's like a pretty goldish and like light blue. It totally reminds me of spring. Here you go, Bella. Oh, it's perfect for Bella. Right. They did such a cute job of wrapping this all. That's like the best part, isn't it? Like wrapping. It just makes the presentation so much better. Okay, I'm so excited to find out what this is. So is Bella. Oh my gosh! Shut up. This is awesome. Woo! Oh my gosh. This is like a really snazzy fanny pack. That is awesome. This is by a brand called Pixie Mood. Thank you for making the world beautiful by choosing cruelty-free products. I'm sure Bella appreciates that as well. Oh my gosh, this is like such a nice feel in a pastel pink, and it says Pixie Mood on the front. That's so cute. What a cute like brand name, Pixie Mood. Let's see here. Designed with love, 100% cruelty-free, and made with vegan materials. That's awesome. PETA approved vegan. Let's take a look at this thing. This is awesome. It literally has, Bella's so excited. So this is my Stylebox. Oh my gosh. Bella, let's take out and show everybody. So it looks like this is like kind of versatile. There's a strap here, so you can make it into like a purse. Bella, stop. So there's 3 different like zipper pockets here, but you can unbuckle the strap here and you can pull it out and you can clip on the purse strap. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a big contender. I feel like I really love this. Here, so I'll put this up here. Okay. This feels like some clothes. Here, so I'll kind of put the box down here. Again, such cute wrapping paper. Oh my gosh. So we will... Bella. Here you go, Bella. Bella, here, put this one. It's going to fit around your whole body. Yeah, this is really close coming. I'm so pumped. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, we have this super cute bra slash kind of like a bralette by the brand Nicky Bicky. And if you guys have never had anything from Nicky Bicky, it is so soft and so comfortable. I have a pair of leggings from JB&Me and I love them. So this is like an awesome, it's almost like a dusted pink color, and like the detail is so cute. So this would be like perfect to wear like under a tank top or something like that. I am all about comfort when I travel, so this is like such an awesome pick. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I'm excited for this. This is a Billabong piece. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'll read it to you guys. I just want you guys to see it. This is such a cute, loosely fitted like tank. Here, I'll read it here. Billabong presents In Search of Paradise. Summer A Go-Go, Runaway Bay, special guests, Endless Summer, Fire on the Beach, live, Saturday 24 July, RSVP VIP. This is so my style because I love kind of almost like a boho look, you know, boho beachy vibe look. So cute. And I can even wear the bra like under this. That's so cute. Oh, and also if you guys are wondering how do they know my size, that is something that you fill out on the style profile. And last but not least, this awesome and oh my gosh, super soft, oh my goodness, so soft, camo V-neck shirt. And I love the detail on the sleeves and on the bottom, just the hemming detail. This is really cute. And I love V-necks because I love wearing necklaces. And I also love like loose kind of baggy shirts because my stylist Laura, who is so sweet by the way, she knows like my style because I obviously put it in the style profile. And I usually only wear like leggings or like maxi skirts, so I love wearing like a looser, Bella's just licking my hand again, a looser like top. And I love to like either do like a French tuck or like a little knot. Yeah, so super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna pick one, and I think you guys will know which one I pick because I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna go with this. This is so awesome. I don't even know. I am just so excited to wear this. I'm just gonna wear it around the house tonight. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show you guys how I style this and how convenient it is. This is gonna be so awesome for travel. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me go over like these papers first. I'm so excited. I hope you guys get a Stylebox and get excited like me. Okay, I get the pictures now. She styled what she gave me and put them into pictures. So if I needed help styling them, I could get some help. So yeah, she like put together like different outfits and stuff. That's so cool. That's like such a unique idea. I love it. That's so cool. And then we'll see what all this is about. Oh, this is like a little note from Laura. So every one of you will get like a cute little note from your stylist. So let's read it. It says, "Hi Ashley, I was excited to get you traveling ready for your upcoming adventures. In this box, I've included an adorable belt bag by Pixie Mood that can be worn 3 ways. 3 ways? I only thought of 2. Oh, maybe it could just like be like a handheld clutch thing, so you can take all the straps off and kind of just use it as a clutch. That's awesome. I have never like seen a bag like that before. That's so cool. It's a perfect hands-free option for travel. Seriously. And that's another thing I forgot to say. Laura knew that I wanted this to be travel themed. I put that in my notes. So this was kind of like a travel box. So I love that. The camo shirt by Wishlist is fitting for your upcoming Africa trip, which is so true. I am going to Africa, and I did need like outfits and stuff that is fitting for like a safari. So that was perfect. I love the statement from the Lenny and Ava cross necklace. Oh, sorry, bracelet. And then the Nikki Vicky Racerback bralette is one of our most popular styles and looks great with the Billabong tank. So she was saying the same thing that I was, putting it under the tank. That's cute. Can't wait to hear what you love. That is so cute. That's so cute. I love that. I love that so much. Let's see what all this is. I feel like this looks like, yeah. So even though you're not charged for it, this is just like your billing receipt. It gives you just like the prices of everything and maybe more like a descriptive meaning to it all in case you were curious about that. And then lastly here, oh cute, another little instruction paper. So I will read this. JB Stylebox. Try on your wardrobe. Sorry, I'm just looking at my other dog, Henry, who's literally climbing all over the chair. Try on your wardrobe capsule that was picked especially for you. We hope we are spot on and you love it as much as we do. If there is something you don't love, simply mail it back with the prepaid return label provided for you within 4 business days. So that's good. That gives you like obviously enough time to think about what you want and maybe try things on and things like that. Contact your stylist within 4 days of receiving your box on what worked for you. You will only be charged for what you keep, less the $20 styling fee. If you loved your experience, let your stylist know and you can sign up for a monthly shipment. Don't worry, this can be paused or canceled at any time. I really like that flexibility. They don't like make you like commit to more than like you feel comfortable. If we weren't spot on, please let us know. We would love a second chance at creating the perfect wardrobe capsule for you. Ah, I love that. And at the bottom, let me read this for you guys. Get social with us. Tag us in your favorite looks from JB Stylebox to help share your love for fashion. We'll love you right back and send you a complimentary gift in your next box. How awesome is that? That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Ah, I love that. That was so fun. Wasn't that fun, Bella? You got pretty necklaces and I got this cute little fanny. I hope you guys love that. That was so much fun. It was so fun like getting it right to your doorstep and having like someone else pick out the stuff for you with like a little bit in mind of what you want. And I love surprises, so that was so fun opening that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I cannot wait to use this and show you guys how I style it. But I hope you guys decide to try out JB Stylebox at least once. Yeah, because I think you guys are going to love it. And don't forget, you can get 20% off your first style box if you use code Ashley, ASHLEY. 20%, that's huge. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you guys try a Stylebox. And if you do, please let me know because I want to hear how you like it and what you got. All right, bye guys.